To understand effortlessness, we need to know about efforts. On the way of yoga, the Guru guides one of the directions which are covered under the shadow of unconsciousness and dimensions which one is unable to perceive. Pinaki Yoga is the place which transforms not only your body but also your living through different forms of yoga. We provide a comfortable environment for our clients and take care of their postures in every asana. Here we share the knowledge about asanas, meditation, and special care for those who are suffering from any health issues. Join Pinaki not only to get better at yoga but also to get better at living. Restore life and balance.